Hi guys, welcome to a new video, and in this video I will show you my messy room, and for some reason I will turn it in a home office, and I really hope that it's going to work out because it's so worse. Oh my god. Okay, I'm going to change the bed sheet, so don't pay attention to the mess, but okay, it's just a real mess. Yeah, I also have these plushies all over here. These are super old, and I am going to do a big project. Like, I am going to yeah, clean this stuff out for some reason, and yeah, I cannot live with this anymore. I just need to work from my room, and I'm going to get a table. And yeah, in the past few weeks I just worked at the kitchen table, and yeah, I just need my own space, but I cannot work in this mess, so I am going to clean it out, even though I cleaned it out so much, like I have too much stuff, that it's a real mess. Okay, I'm just going to do it. Good news is that this is quite fixed, but yeah, I will continue. Okay, don't ask me why I have so much crap. It's unbelievable. It's because I had an apartment back in the days in Rotterdam where I lived 6 years. And yeah, this is the room of my parents. Yeah, this is a room I had when I was living with my parents before all of that. And yeah, the apartment of Rotterdam was like 3 times as big as this room. This is really my childhood room. I mean, look at this. I still have my plushies, and these are also plushies, and yeah, it's still a lot. I will get through this. Hi guys, okay, it is time to show you the end result after the clean up. Yeah, it was a real mess. I had so much garbage, and I actually wanted to show you what kind of garbage I had, but my parents were so happy that they threw it away immediately, so I cannot show you, but I can show you the leftovers that I kept later on. But let's just start. Okay, this is what I kept, and I know it's a lot, but I will tell you guys more about that later. But here I got my tripods, and I keep it like this because I use it quite frequently. I got my daily affirmations here, and this is my bed where I sleep. I have one lamp left. I also had other lamps, but they weren't working. And let me show you this one. So I wrote down a quote that I really loved. In order to get to the next level of whatever you are doing, you must think and act in a wildly different way than you previously have been. And it's from the book, The 10X Rule. And yeah, I really love that book, and that's why I wrote down this quote, and I customized it with canva.com, and yeah, then I printed this one out. So keep it here. Yeah, I got my laptop and all of the chargers right here. I keep it here. But yeah, normally this would be here, but I did extra clean up before filming this, so that's why. But this is my working table with this chair, and this is, by the way, my wardrobe. And I still have some plushies over here, but I want to give it away to other people, but after the coronavirus, because I think nobody will accept it right now. But I really want to throw some plushies away. But anyways, here I got some nail polish and other stuff, and here is all my makeup and skincare stuff. Here I got some important maps with some markers and pens. Yeah, this is for hot water, cold water. And here I got my camera things, my gear, my equipment, and I got one DSLR, and here I can show it to you. So what I have here is like my GoPro, earplugs, other earplugs, and yeah, like memory card and charger. For this camera I am using the Canon G7X, and I got another GoPro battery, and yeah, this is also for my GoPro, and I got a Polaroid camera, my laptop case. But okay, here are my books, and here I got more pens over here, and this is some papers that I have left. Okay, this is quite random, but this is what you will get if your parents are working in a snack bar. And so basically this is actually for the mayonnaise, but they cleaned it, and I got my extra skincare over here. These are more stuff. This was actually a prize box, but yeah, these are my storage things, which is kind of funny, but yeah, it's still a lot of stuff. But yeah, I'm very happy with the natural lighting, and it's quite ideal to sit here, and I really loved it because I didn't have a table before. I didn't have a table because yeah, this was basically my childhood room, and I sold all my furniture when I lived in Rotterdam before I went on this world trip. And this table is actually also coming from the snack bar, but I am happy that I got the table because that's much needed, you know. I cannot stay to work. I cannot work in the living room all the time with all my family members. So yeah, it is quite small, but it is okay. I mean, it fits in this childhood room, and this is also kind of fun. So like on this window I had some Winnie the Pooh stickers for years, and I finally removed them, but you can still, I don't think you can see on the camera, but you can still see the stickers a bit. Yeah, like, yeah, you can see the stickers a little bit, but it's finally removed, so it's not a childhood room anymore. Okay, if you were wondering what's underneath this, so here I got all my camera things for my GoPro and other accessories, and I have this one left because I'm going to fly my drone today. And yeah, I got my bags all in here, and these are more bags and shoes and books and more shoes, my old shakes, and my old storage of my old company, some random stuff, a lamp, and this is to use for vegetables, which is super random, but I didn't want to throw it away. And this is yeah, for my hair. I still need to use this, but yeah, these are old books, and believe me, I threw away 1/3 already, and yeah, no, I threw away 1/3 of everything in total, and this is what is left. It is still a lot, but okay, try to imagine that my old room, my old apartment, it was twice as big as this childhood room, so I already sold a lot of stuff. I threw away a lot of stuff, and again right here and right now, but some stuff you just cannot throw away, so maybe my mind will change in the future, but right now I already did a good job, I think. Let me know if you think it is okay for me. I can work here, and that is the most important thing. I can live here, so it works well for me right now, and we will see in the future if I am going to throw more stuff away. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, you can subscribe here down below, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.